Sunday evening, his daughter waved through the back window. He smiled until the car turned the corner. Then he stopped pretending. He was still standing in the driveway 10 minutes later, trying to make himself go inside the house. Nobody had warned him about Sundays. They warned him about court. They never warned him about the emptiness in the driveway after your kids leave. They warned him about lawyers, paperwork, court dates, child support. But nobody told him about the emptiness in the driveway, about standing there long after the car had already turned the corner. He'd walk inside and the silence would hit first. The stuffed animal still on the couch, a half-finished coloring page on the kitchen table, tiny shoes by the front door. Life looked exactly the same, except the person who filled it was gone. For 6 mornings, he wouldn't hear Dad from the next room. He wouldn't make breakfast. He wouldn't buckle a car seat. He wouldn't hear little feet running down the hallway. The house didn't feel empty. It felt like it was waiting. The lie is that because your child doesn't sleep under your roof every night, you're only half a father. The truth is that love has never been measured by a custody schedule. A calendar can divide your time. It can't divide your fatherhood. Jesus told a story about a father who stood looking down the road, waiting, not because he stopped being a father while his son was gone, but because love doesn't disappear when someone leaves the house. Sometimes love looks like waiting faithfully until they come home again. That's one of the reasons I coach fathers, because some of you aren't trying to become better fathers. You're trying to become the best father you can be with half the time. Brother, if that's you, I want you to hear me. Don't waste the Sundays that you do have grieving about the ones you don't. Build memories so powerful that your child carries them into every house that they ever enter. And if this reminded you of a father who also needs hope, share this with him. Subscribe to the channel. Over the next few weeks, I'm going to keep sharing the same frameworks that I teach the fathers I coach. Then go read The Father Wound. The first 4 chapters are completely free. The link is in my channel bio. My name is Spence Harris, and I'm the Daddiez coach. From hustle to home, this is Fatherhood Rebuilt.